Hi friends, this video shows how to clear cache of an app. Go to settings, set settings icon from top right corner. Go down, set apps, set see all apps. Go down. Here you are seeing list of all installed apps. From this list, let me select one app. Let me select this YouTube app. Go down. Here you can see clear cache option. See, it shows size of the cache is 4.53 MB. I am going to clear that. Select this clear cache. Select OK. Done. See, now it shows cache size is 0. So this way we can clear cache. Similarly, we can clear data. Set clear data. We can clear data as well. You can try that. So this way we can clear cache. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.